Hello everyone, welcome to the Oral Movement Studio, and today behind me you see a really nice white backdrop. So the topic of today will be light painting with white background. Assisting will be Clara, she's going to be my model, and of course I'll show you what kind of equipment I use. So, Sama, hello.
Hi.
This is behind the white backdrop. This is where I placed, in this case, a big studio flash. You can also do it with a mobile flash. Just give it a lot of power to shoot through the paper. You can also use a white cloth. That also works. Yeah, back to the other side. This is where Clara stands and is getting ready for the shooting. This is also where, yeah, of course, that's the camera side. In this case, you see a little Olympus OMD. Yeah, turning off the light, and then I usually count her in 3, 2, 1 flash, and in this case I had a setting of f2.8 or f4, and I really want to overexpose everything but her, so I get this nice silhouette. Yeah. After that I changed the f-stop to f11. I have a manual lens, and I put a really strong flashlight into that pink fiber brush. And in that particular case, I left the model there so I can really get the nice texture of the leather jacket and her hair. You can also take the model away. That's the other images you saw. If you do that, then you have all the freedom to fill that silhouette with whatever light effect you want. So it really doesn't matter what you do. You can take the model away, the backdrop away, and really far away in the forest, you can light up the forest or something like that. The effect, of course, you can use in every direction you want. It's up to you and your creativity how you fill the silhouette. You can also do that with multiple faces and multiple orbs, whatever you like. So fire, anything you come up with. Yeah, at some point you filled your entire silhouette and then you just turn off the camera and there's your result. Well, I hope this helps you, and yeah, this is what the result looks like. Thank you very much for your attention.